Mulching methods. Enhance your garden the natural way. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of mulching methods. Mulching is a simple yet incredibly effective technique used in gardening. It involves covering the soil with various materials to enrich it, conserve moisture, and keep your plants healthy. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding mulching methods can be a game changer for your garden. Mulching is the process of applying a layer of material over the surface of soil. It's a natural, organic way to enhance your garden's health. The benefits of mulching are numerous. It helps in retaining soil moisture, suppressing weeds, improving soil fertility, and even protecting plants from extreme temperatures. The materials used for mulching can vary, ranging from leaves and straw to wood chips and compost. In this section, we'll explore the different materials you can use for mulching. There are mainly two types, organic and inorganic. Organic mulches, straw and hay, these are excellent for vegetable gardens. Wood chips and bark, ideal for ornamental plants and pathways. Leaves and grass clippings, great for enriching the soil with nutrients as they decompose. Compost, enhances soil structure and provides a wealth of nutrients. Inorganic mulches, plastic sheeting, useful for warming the soil and promoting growth. Landscape fabric, allows water and air into the soil while keeping weeds at bay. Applying mulch is a straightforward process, but doing it correctly is crucial for the best results. 1. Prepare the soil. Remove weeds and loosen the soil. 2. Choose the right mulch. Consider the needs of your plants and the local climate. 3. Apply the mulch. Spread a 2 to 4 inch layer around your plants, making sure not to pile it against the stems or trunks. 4. Water the mulch. If you're using organic mulch, water it lightly to help it settle. Maintaining your mulch is important for long-term garden health. Replenish organic mulch. As it decomposes, add more to maintain the depth. Monitor for pests. Some mulches can harbor pests, so keep an eye out and take action if needed. Check moisture levels. Ensure that your mulch isn't preventing water from reaching the soil. Mulching is a wonderful, natural method to ensure your garden remains healthy and beautiful. It's simple to apply, comes in various forms to suit different needs, and the benefits are truly remarkable. So, why not give it a try and see the difference it makes in your garden? Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!